Today we're going to solve division equations using the area model and number bonds. Let's use this example, 96 divided by 4. We know that 96 in a division sentence is the whole number. We call it the dividend. And if we're using the area model, we know that the whole number is the area of this rectangle. So I'm going to label that 96. 4 is our divisor. It's what we're splitting 96 up into, 4 equal pieces. And on the area model, we know that the divisor is our width. So I'll label that. And we know that this missing part over here, the quotient, is actually the missing length of our rectangle. We don't know what that is yet. But we do know we can take the area, 96, and divide it by the width that we know to find the missing length. Right now, 96 divided by 4 can be a little bit tricky. So what we can do is we can decompose 96 up into different parts. That will make division a little bit easier. So I'm going to delete my 96 and let's come up with some different parts. You know I can break my rectangle up into as many parts as I want, as long as that the inside pieces, when I add them together, they equal 96. So let's come up with some numbers. I have to break 96 up, and I want to pick some numbers that will be easily divisible by 4. So I'm going to start off with an easy one. A multiple of 4 is 40. So that's one of my parts. Now I'm going to try to come up with some other parts that all add up to 96. So I have 40. I know I could do another 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. And then I know that I have 16 left over. That's also divisible by 4 pretty easily. So let's make our last part 16. All right, and let's check. 40 plus 16, I should get 96. 40 plus 40 is 80, plus 10 is 90, plus 6 is 96. So my inside pieces check out. Now we're ready to divide. We know that we can do these smaller areas divided by the width will give us our missing length up here. So I know, I'm just going to change my color. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Now I'm going to go on to my second little rectangle. I'm going to take my area, 40, and divide it by my width, 4, and I get 10. 40 divided by 4 is 10. And then let's do this last rectangle, 16 divided by 4. I know 16 divided by 4 is 4. So we're almost done. We have 3 parts of our missing length. All we have to do now is add these parts up. 10 plus 10 plus 4. I'll just write that down. 10 plus 10 plus 4. And I know 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 4 more is 24. And that is my missing length. The total of my missing length is 24. So 96 divided by 4 is 24. So that is how you use the area model to divide.